This is a very beautiful grass that lives in in canopied forests under shade. So it's a shade-loving plant, and it's somewhere in my video collection. The in situ locations and all are there. I've done videos of this, and this is one grass I found particularly attractive. I tried growing it also quite successfully. And it's one of the plant that it's a grass, actually grass or sedge, I think, one of the two. And the name is Scleria lithosperma. And the Scleria species, there are a big group of them occupying various niches in the ecosystem. In canopied places inside the forest where little sunshine only is there, this particular species, Scleria lithosperma, it occurs. And then other Sclerias are there that grow taller and all. This one, if it's in a good location, it can grow some 4 feet maximum. That other lithosperma, they grow up to 6 feet, 8 feet and all. Just a couple of days back, I did a video on that one lithosperma that is grows up to 10 feet. So it's a big group. They're all very showy, and they have a clump formation. So at the base there's a clump, and then from that new shoots will emerge. It's a perennial, so long lived. If you get one plant, you can keep it for years together. Little bit you have to look after it. That's all. This specimen is about almost 2 years I kept it. And the nice thing about this one is it's a great balcony plant, because its ability to tolerate shade and less sunshine, and then it is non-demanding also. That potting mix and all, you can tolerate a wide variation, but better to give some good compost and all, leaf compost, leaf litter and all, so that the greenery and all is lush and nice and plants are healthy. Then apart from that, up to 10 days, 15 days and all, it can be kept indoors also. After that, you have to rotate it little bit outside. Permanently, these shade-loving plants can't be kept in. And these forest plants and all, you have to rotate them once in 10, 15 days, put it out, not directly into the sun. From the shade, if you're going to take a plant out from indoors in the full shade and then put it out, put it in partial sunlight, not full sunlight where suddenly it gets a shock of overexposure to the sun. So you can keep it in a semi-exposed place for a few days and then put it back indoors if you like. Looks also showy and nice, and it's one of our native plant of our Indian Western Ghats forests. And I didn't see this species much in Bangalore and all. Mainly coastal zone. Also it's there in various parts of Western Ghats, and it's a nice plant which I recommend to use as a potted plant, as some new item which is not there available in nurseries and all. First time I tried it out well, and it's a success, and people who are interested in native plants, they can try it out. In the garden also you can use it as a border plant, or in canopied places where there's a lot of shade and all, you can put it in a little bed and all. Easy to maintain, it doesn't require much watering and all that. But it can tolerate huge amount of rainfall also. And then another unique thing, it can't tolerate waterlogging. So don't waterlog it, allow the water to flow freely. Give plenty of mulch and then vermicompost and things like that to get a lush growth. And you can put it in bigger pots. It will make a bigger formation. Being a perennial, you can enjoy this plant for years together.